fit and fine at your places. So kids, in our today's video, we will continue the chapter 6, Omana's Journey. Now kids, in our previous video, we have studied a lot of things. See kids, I have made one collage of the information which we have discussed in our previous video. We will do a quick revision of the topics which we have studied in the previous video. So, first of all, we have studied that Omana started her journey from Gandhidham city, which is in Kutch district, and the state is Gujarat. Means Omana lives in a state named Gujarat, which is in India's map, you can see. Now the next we have studied platform. Platform is a place where train used to come and the passengers wait in the platform for the train. Means they start their journey from the platform only. You can see in the pics kids. Now the next is reservation chart. Kids, the reservation chart gives you the detail of your seat in the train. It is there in front of the train coach, or you can say train box. Now next is luggage. Luggage are the things which you carry in your journey. Means your suitcase, your clothes and whatever else things which you carry in the journey, that is luggage. The next is Kottayam. Kottayam is related to Kerala. As you all know kids, Kerala is a state in India, as you can see in the south. Yes, in the southern part Kerala is there, and inside that Kerala state there is one district named Kottayam. Now the next is TTE. Students, in our last video also we have discussed it. T is traveling, then again T is ticket and E is examiner. So the full form of TTE is traveling ticket examiner, and in the short you can call it ticket collector. This is a person who used to collect your ticket in the train. Now the next is berth. Now what is berth? Berth means the train seats. Yes kids, we call train seats as berth. You know, I have told you there are 3 types of berth: lower berth, middle berth and upper berth in the train, and the train seats are used to be berth. Now the next, Appa. Now Omana used to call her father Appa and mother as Amma. And the last, as I have told you, Kerala state is related to Kottayam. So kids, these are the things which we have learned in our previous video, and these are very, very important. Next kids, now we will move to our Omana's journey. Yes, we will continue our Omana's journey. Now kids, if you remember in our last video, I have told you that Omana has eaten her food. Her mouth was started watering after seeing dhokla, mithai and lemon rice. So she has closed her diary and started eating her food. After that, they all, means Omana and her family, felt sleepy and they all slept. But Omana didn't. Omana did not feel sleepy and she kept looking out of the window. And what she saw out of the window? She saw brown fields out of the window. Sometimes when she looked outside the window, she saw small villages, as you can see in the pictures. These villages, they used to pass in a very high speed. Now you all know, when train used to run in a very high speed, you watch the things moving in opposite direction. Yes kids, when train used to run at a very high speed, if you will look out of the window, if you will peep out of the window, you will see that all the things are going in opposite direction. If the train is moving towards this side, then you will see that all things are going like this in opposite direction. Now kids, as you all know that Omana has taken her journey from Gandhidham city in the morning. So in the morning and in the afternoon there was quite hot. Now they have reached Ahmedabad, and in Ahmedabad the weather is quite nice, means the weather is quite pleasing and there is some breeze also. The sky was looking orange. Yes kids, the sky was looking orange because sun is setting down. As you can see in the pic, kids, the whole sky was orange and the sun was setting down. This is the scene in Ahmedabad. Now, as I've told you that Omana has taken her journey from Gandhidham city. Now I will show you, kids. This is the route from Gujarat to Kerala, and you can see, kids, Ahmedabad is a place in Gujarat only. Yes, kids. So from Gandhidham she has gone to Ahmedabad, and in Ahmedabad she has seen a wonderful scene, that is sunset. Means sun is setting down and the whole sky becomes orange, and Omana has reached from Gandhidham to Ahmedabad. Now after Ahmedabad, kids, Omana has just crossed the station called Valsad. As you can see in the pic, kids, after Ahmedabad some stations are there and then Valsad is there. So Omana just crossed the station called Valsad after Ahmedabad. Now in Valsad, kids, train stopped for 2 minutes, and for 2 minutes also there was a lot of noise of the people who are selling and buying the things like chai garam, patata vada, puri shaak. These all are the things which the people are selling on the platform. And Omana and her family also bought some bananas and chicos for themselves. Now kids, as I've told you, in the opposite side of the birth of Omana, there was one family who have 2 kids, and their names were Sunil and Anne. The 2 kids' names are Sunil and Anne. You call it Anne and Anne, whatever. So kids, these 2 kids, now this family means these 2 kids and their family is going to Kozhikode. Yes. Now where is Kozhikode? These 2 kids and their families were going to Kozhikode. And where this place is? This place is also in Kerala. Yes, Kozhikode is also in Kerala. Like Kottayam is there, same way Kozhikode is there. Now kids, you can see the Kozhikode station also and the Kozhikode place in the map of Kerala. So these 2 kids and their family, means their father and mother, was also going to Kozhikode, which is in Kerala. Means they have a same route where Omana was going. Now Omana has done a good friendship with Sunil. Yes, and Sunil has given her some story books. Now after a while, Omana went to the washroom, means bathroom. And why she has gone there? She has went there for brushing her teeth, as all were sleeping. So now she also wants to sleep, and she went to the washroom for brushing her teeth. But at that time in the washroom, water was not there. Somebody told Omana that in the next big station water will get filled up and then she can brush her teeth. So till here, kids, we have ended our chapter 6, Omana's journey. Now kids, Omana's journey is not ended here. Yes, it is more, but we will study this in our next chapter, chapter 7, named From the Window. As we have ended here in the night, as I told you that Omana is going for brushing her teeth. So we will start our chapter 7 from the window in the morning. Yes, from the morning time. Now again Omana will write her diary and we will study her diary. Now kids, we will move to activity corner.
Page number 51. What did Omana see from the window? Omana saw fields, small villages, etc., which seemed to run in opposite direction. She also saw the beautiful orange sky during sunset. Next question. What are some of the things that are sold at railway stations. The things are books, toys, cold drink, hot tea, puri and vegetables which we call puri shak, batata vada, fast foods, etc. You can write your own answer in this question according to your choice. Now, page number 52. Why do you think there was no water in the bathroom of the train? Discuss. Passengers usually waste water filled in the trains, or sometimes it is not filled properly. Next question. Imagine that you are going on a long train journey. What are the things that you will take with you to help pass the time? Handy games and storybooks. Can you recognize who are these people shown in the picture? What work do they do? Discuss. Now the first one is coolie. A coolie helps people to carry their luggage. Second is guard. A guard signals the train to start. He also watches the train. He is a type of in charge of train. Driver. The third is driver. He runs and controls the train. The fourth is ticket checker. Ticket checker checks the tickets of passengers and matches them with the seats. As we have read in Omana's journey that a ticket collector, or you can say a ticket checker, checks the tickets of Omana's family. The fifth is railway police. Railway police provides security to the railway stations, train and the passengers travelling by train. Sixth is Safai Karamchari. He cleans the platforms and trains. The last, seventh, is ticket seller. Ticket seller sells tickets to the passengers. See kids, there is a difference between ticket checker and ticket seller. Ticket checker checks the tickets, whereas ticket seller sells the tickets. Now kids, this you have to learn. First of all, where is Gujarat in India? You can see kids, Gujarat is a western state of India. Next, where is Kerala? Now you can see kids, Kerala is in the south of India, means it is a southern state of India. Now kids, one of the map of Indian Railways. Here you can see Omana has started her journey from Gandhidham and she reached Ahmedabad. After Ahmedabad, she crossed Valsad station. Now kids, this Gandhidham, Ahmedabad and Valsad are in Gujarat only.